In this video, we will learn to work with the sound effect block. We will change the background and choose a park background. We will place the panda on one of the circles. Now we start building the script. We will drag a green flag. From motion, we will take the jump block. We will set its value to jump 3 times. From sounds, we will take the sound effect block and choose an effect for ourselves. We will take the weight block. We will set the value to 1. We will take the forever block. Let's run the script. Panda jumps, and every time it lands, we have a sound. We can change the sound. We will click below and choose another sound. Let's play it again. We will choose another sound. Here we have learned to use the sound effect block.